How to make $1 million starting from zero. Hey, this is Russ Jones and I want to welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 4 ways to make $1 million starting from zero according to Russell Branson, owner of ClickFunnels. But before I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my amazing videos that has come out soon. Now let's jump into the video. Number 1. Who is your dream customer? Who do you want to sell your product or services to? What are their desires, wants and needs? What are their problems? Number 2. What does your customer or future client want? Create a product that solves their problem. Thus, you're not being pushy. The secret is you have to listen to them. The key is listening to them. What do they want? What are their struggles? What product could you create or adapt to their problem? Number 3. Go and create that thing. Go out and find the product or service they want. Become a middleman if you have to. It could be a course, coaching, training, or a physical product. Start doing your research on Google and you have the best chance to find it. Sometimes you may have to build a platform that combines 2 to 3 white label products or services together. The technology is probably already out on the web. You can also have it developed by Upworks or even Fiverr.com. Number 4. How to sell it. People get stuck on this. Here are 2 parts you're going to sell. How are you going to sell it? Sell over the phone, webinars, course, or podcast. What is the best method that will work for you? You get it right and your business will take off. You will make your $1 million and more. I recommend you pick up a free copy of DotCom Secrets book. The book shows you 28 virtually unknown secrets to grow your business online with sales funnels. Also, check out the Trilogy series called Expert Secrets and Traffic Secrets. www.best.comsecrets.com. Again, that's www.best.comsecrets.com. Thanks again for watching this video. Be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button.